Anyway, flowers, sacrifice all religion and worship Princess Famazila and going to Big Zulu's Umkulu album launch party. Let's go! Oh my god, go to Big Zulu's album launch party with me! I can't believe that I lost my iPhone 13. Mara, it's fine. You see, who stole it? When I catch you. Ooh, began son. I'm being escorted. Drip check. Okay, we'll do drip check, guys. But right now it's so fucking raining. Like, Canada, oh yeah. I hope like you can see my beautiful face, like won't get info like Facebook that never declines and has likes, shares and comments and subscribes. Yeah, I'm using the big camera because hey good riff. Ivan, she's gone. Anyway, look at South Africa. South Africa is beautiful. These are hotels, by the way. I'll be sleeping here tonight afterwards. Fully paid. Alright, I need to fix my makeup quickly before I enter this time. You know, like the boobs are sitting well, the necklace is sitting well, the hair is hairy, little water here and there, you know, and another, just a little, you know, so that it's sitting well. Wow, let me move it in the space. Brush, man. Where's the brush? Yeah, well, the brush is in my pocket. It has to be close the whole fucking time. Is there anyone here? What the fuck is that? Hi.
Where do I press? This is a video, babe.
Oh, right, yeah, go vlog. Thank you so much. Gamthola South Africa. Don't shoot tonight. Look here, please. Get there, please. Okay, stop. Lawa South Africa keeps totally the one the green mamba, the annual remix.
It's all of us. This is young from the annual remix.
Yes. I'm
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
In the building. And so
I need to share. One day, I'm going to get
one day.
camera high. I need it. Why do you have a mask on?
I want you know what I'm
ukuthi lengoma umuntu ongangena umuntu onjani angijwayele ukukhetha ama-feature ngokuthi ubani oshisayo nini kanjani nginalento nje ukuthi hayi ubani kufana nale ngoma le ethi
the inspiration to the songs that I sing. I swear you the most beautiful girl in life.
How Gabi? Oh my god. Hi guys, how are you? I'm good. Manje mabathi prove ukuthi Gabi uhlulwa yini? You look good, by the way. You look good. Thank you.